aka giving you even more exposure. Hey friends, Jill here and welcome back to the Market Vibes. So happy to have you here. If this is your first time, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications on all our future videos. I'm so excited to continue on with our Instagram series, and today we're diving into Reels. Now, if you don't know what Reels is, you've probably been living under a rock, but I'm sure you know what they are, but I'm gonna go into them a little bit today because they have been amazing and a game changer for our personal page. And I think we received like 5,000 new followers in a couple months and over 5 million views just from Reels. So finding that type of organic growth on Instagram is definitely difficult, and Reels have been such a great game changer for us. So I'm going to go into what they are and how you can use them for your business as well. So what are Reels? Now, Reels are Instagram's version of TikToks. They basically stole them and took them and added them onto the platform. They're short form video content that is vertical, that are meant to be consumed very fast in a feed. And typically the type of content that does the best is the content we've been talking about a lot in this series, which is the 4 E's of content, which is entertaining, engaging, emotional, and educational. Those are the types of content that do really well, that really blow up when it comes to short form video content. So why are Reels so important? Well, number one, short form video content is all the rage right now. Everybody is consuming it. We can thank TikTok for that. But Reels are ranked by Instagram as the second best way to get engagement onto your page per their algorithm. And it's also a really great way to build know, like, and trust, and to just introduce your brand and your page to cold traffic. It's a really great way for people to get to know you, to see you more candidly, to see you have fun, open up, and it's really just a great way for people to consume your content very, very quickly. Now let's get into the best practices of Reels. When you're creating a Reel, typically you want to have at least 2 to 3 clips within the first 5 seconds. So it's going to be really fast. It's going to be like this. The reason why you want that is because you literally have 2 seconds to get someone's attention, and you can really do it with really quick clips that make the video more exciting. You also want to make sure it's around 9 to 15 seconds in length, and add captions if you can, because more and more people are watching things like Reels and Stories on mute, so captions really help them actually sit and watch, especially if they're somewhere like work. Next, you want to have a call to action at the end, and we actually started doing this on our TikTok, and then we brought it over to Reels, and it's been incredible. Saying something like click here, comment below, follow for more, like this, save it for later, something to get them to do some sort of action, because you don't want a video to blow up and have no action off of it. So putting something like follow for more, click here, anything like that is a really great way to make the audience move if they really liked your content and liked what they saw. And then finally, I would put our call to action as the first comment, just so that it shows that one, you've got a comment on there and people will see it and it'll get a conversation started, which is more engagement for the Reel, which will push it out even more. Now, if you're a business owner, you're probably like, why should I even use Reels? This feels counterproductive. It's going to be a waste of time. But really, Reels are a great way for you to not only engage with your current audience, but to get your content out there, get your products out there to new people who have never seen you before, aka your cold traffic. And it's a great way to capture that cold traffic. So, and I've got some ideas for you of what you can do for Reels. You could do things like product launches, frequently asked questions, any kind of reviews, behind the scenes, things you've had to overcome, how you created your product. There's tons of different ways that you can create a Reel that's either education or entertaining, one of the 4 E's that's really helping people get to know who you are and your product. Finally, when creating a Reel, you always want to put a song on it, and particularly a trending song, because that's going to give you even more reach, because now Instagram has taken the same interface as TikTok, and when you find a sound and you click on it, you can see all the videos that have been made with that sound, aka giving you even more exposure. You can find trending songs by using the preview app if you have it, or going to the Explore page, or going down the Reels feed and then seeing if you can find sounds that you like. You click on the sound and then you can save audio. You can also check out the Reels hashtag page, which is a great way for you to find trending sounds that are really crushing it right now. And that's all things Reels. I highly encourage you to start prioritizing Reels into your content plan for Instagram because it's a great way to, like I said, bring new eyes to the page who don't know you and to engage with your current audience even more. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will see you for the next Instagram video. Bye, friends.